Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about is it possible to make money online. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Is it possible to make money online through writing and advertising? So, you're asking yourself the question of, is it possible to make money online? Many people start to wonder if there really is. I know that this can be a daunting and sometimes confusing subject for many people. Many people are beginning to wonder if it is possible to make money online through e-commerce and other forms of internet marketing. And others are asking if they can make money by merely writing articles and advertisements online. All of these questions are very hard questions to answer. After all, people all over the world have very different approaches to the internet. For example, some people have simply learned how to use the internet to make money. Others have learned how to get into e-commerce or internet marketing, and others are learning to sell products online or have learned how to promote products in various ways. While it is possible to make money with just any one of these methods, there are many different ways to go about making it happen. Some of these methods are very lucrative, while others may not be so profitable at all. For example, some people will have no problem putting up their articles or blogs and selling them on certain subjects. Others will be entirely successful, but they are not really selling their products or services and therefore may not make a profit. The most successful people may have learned to combine these two methods. In fact, these methods may work together for the most successful online marketers. The most important part is learning how to make your writing and advertising material to sell. This will also help you understand how to turn those interested in what you have to offer into buyers. Now, if you are wondering if you can make money online through writing and advertising or not, then I want to suggest that you keep watching this video. It will show you the exact methods that you need to learn in order to begin making money online through e-commerce. If you have to choose between learning how to write articles and using an advertising program such as Google AdWords, then I must say that it must read that you must do both. Doing so will show you how to begin turning profits from the very first day that you start your business. You must learn how to utilize both advertising and writing skills in order to make money through advertising. This is a critical key to success. However, I must emphasize that if you are thinking about whether or not you can make money online through writing and advertising, then you must learn how to create articles and advertising to begin making money on the internet. In order to learn how to do this, you must go over the information below. Is it possible to make money online? The question is often asked, is it possible to make money online? This video will attempt to answer that question. Because the amount of money you can make in this business is still a mystery to even the experts, there is no clear-cut answer. Although the number of jobs available is expected to increase exponentially, it is not guaranteed. For some online job opportunities, individuals have earned over $100,000 per year. One way to determine if making money online is possible is to see what the best opportunities are. You may be surprised by the abundance of jobs available. One of the best ways to increase your earning potential is to become involved in internet marketing. Internet marketing may be considered to be an elite internet market. Many people prefer this form of earning money over other forms of online work. Internet marketing offers many advantages and there are very few disadvantages. One of the benefits is that you don't have to come up with the money to start up your business. Another advantage is that you can start out small and expand as your business grows. Another advantage of internet marketing is that you don't have to worry about acquiring clients or actually running a business. This can be a wonderful advantage to those who have been hesitant to take on a business opportunity due to the lack of need for work. As for the main problem, you may have difficulty adjusting to this business because of its strange method of operation. Internet marketing is one of the more complicated methods of making money, even though it is the most lucrative. The average online business owner has never run a business, which can be very difficult. This potential business owner will also have to learn about internet marketing and computer programs in order to successfully be successful. Although most online job opportunities to use these types of programs, they can be complicated. Therefore, it is wise to seek the advice of an expert. The success rate of internet marketing is only slightly higher than average when it comes to generating a profit and making money online. Some experts think that successful online business owners tend to make a full-time income, while others speculate that they are as successful as other traditional businesses. The key to a successful online business is dedication and hard work. Without any type of online business experience, it can be easy to quit. The online business world is relatively new and there are only a few people who are making a good living with their business. Although it is tempting to make money with other people's money, it is very important to stay focused on your own personal progress. This is not to say that working for someone else is a bad thing. However, without your own work ethic, it can get boring and it is much better to set your own goals and develop your own path. The honest truth is that you can't make money online as quickly as many people would like. However, it is not impossible to find a legitimate online job that will pay you a respectable wage. Is it possible to make money online from a home-based business? In this video, we are going to take a look at the latest blog trend and try to discover whether or not you can indeed make money online from a home-based business. After all, you may be wondering whether or not it is possible to make money from home. In recent years, more people have been working from home. People who previously had no income are now working from home to earn some extra cash. In the old days, we did not have the internet and the ability to reach people from anywhere in the world. This was not an option because of you either work for someone or you worked for yourself. Whether you did have a business or not, there were many things that were difficult for someone without one. Those who did have businesses had to constantly outsource work and bring in sales. However, that is no longer the case and a lot of people are doing well while still owning their own business. In fact, the most successful business owners are doing so even though they do not have a brick-and-mortar store or even a website. The fact of the matter is that with the right business plan, and the right tools, you can start a home-based business that will actually generate you some money. It is simply a matter of finding a niche and starting a business from your home. In order to understand whether or not you can really start a business from home, we need to ask ourselves a few questions such as, would I be interested in making some extra money? Then would I have the time to sit at my computer all day? Would you be willing to sit at your computer all day if you could make a certain amount of money? And finally, would you be willing to work for a specific amount of money? If any of these questions are answered in the affirmative, then you have a good chance of starting a business that would actually make you some money. Of course, the best news is that there are plenty of successful home-based businesses available. One of the best options out there is blogging. As the name suggests, you write about something related to your niche, and with your blog you will actually create a buzz around your product or service. You will also be able to promote your business through backlinks from other sites that will, in turn, drive traffic to your business. All of this will occur on the internet, so it will work for anyone no matter what their location. It is also important to note that there are many successful people already making money online. If you are interested in following in their footsteps, then you will find success all over the internet. Thanks for watching my video about is it possible to make money online. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.